I'm going to show you how to export your transactions from Gradelink and import them into QuickBooks. The process is really easy, and there's two different approaches. The first approach is to export just the totals per general ledger category, and the second is to export every transaction. To do just the general ledger categories, what you do is you go to the financial area, you go to reports, and then you're going to choose general ledger account as the report that you'll export. You'll choose the school year that you want, and then choose the billing period. So for example, I chose June. If you want to run multiple months at a time, you could use a second option to specify an end date. So that way you could run, for example, like September through June. Or you could do a custom date range if you only want to get, for example, the last 7 days. Okay. Next, the report you'll see is right here. So it's showing me the date range, the general account number. This is the number that you put in QuickBooks to represent K-8 tuition or field trips or yearbooks, etc. And then we're putting it into Gradelink, so that way when you export the data, it's easy to go into QuickBooks. Then you can save it as Excel, Word, or PDF and upload it to QuickBooks. You can go to View Export, and this is how you can download all the individual transactions. So I'll switch to the 24 school year, and here I'm going to see all the various transactions. I can filter by the last 7 days, and the categories you really care about right here are the billing category, the GL account, which is the general ledger account. But you can see down here, it creates the total. You can also see the student name, payer name, the payment method. When you're done, you just click Export to CSV, and it'll export all the data that you see. So that's how to export your financial data from Gradelink and import it into QuickBooks.